Hello friends, welcome to Easy GST for You. I am your host Girish Kulkarni and I welcome you all to today's discussion related to the concept of tax group under UAE VAT law. Now, understanding this concept of tax group is of immense importance because there is a little scope for financial planning as well as tax planning with respect to the concept of tax group. So, Article 14 deals with the provisions of registration as a tax group. It talks about the scenario wherein two or more person can take a registration as a tax group. There is a single registration as a tax group, provided that there are certain conditions which are followed. Condition number one, these all entities or establishments are having a fixed establishment in the state of UAE. These two or more entities. Condition number two, that these entities are related parties as defined in the UAE VAT law. And condition number three, two or more persons who are involved in the partnership are controlling the second entity, either of the partners. So if these three conditions are met, then these two or more than two enterprises can take a single registration under VAT as a tax group. Now, what will happen if they take such registration as a tax group? There are two benefits. Number one, the compliance and the compliance cost is automatically reduced because instead of taking two or more registrations, only one registration is taken. Benefit number two, the transactions between the entities in the same tax group are not subjected to UAE VAT Act. So there will not be VAT which will be levied on the transactions between the entities which are a part of a single tax group. Further, it has been explained in the Article 14 that if the government finds that these are the related entities and the conditions are satisfied, but the registration are not taken as a tax group, the government may want the entities to take a single tax group registration. And it is a kind of an encourages step which has been provided, and there is an enabling provision into the decree law. So going for a registration as a tax group has its own benefit. One has to just see where that entity fits, if these conditions are satisfied, and so on. Thank you so much for watching this video on a tax group. If you really enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you want regular updates from our channel, Easy GST for You, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.